Police arrest the third culprit involved in HDFC robbery case. He is a former employee of the bank. Woman dies after delivering baby girl at RIMS. Furious relatives vandalize RIMS administrative block, refused to take the body. Minister Nasir denies involvement of his relative in firing at Meira Paibi in Nungai, alleges political conspiracy. And people celebrate Rath Yatra with religious fervor and gaiety in various parts of the valley. Hello and welcome to Impact News, watching Primetime News. And I'm Kishore Chandrawang Kemcha with the top stories and latest news till this hour of the day. Police have arrested one more culprit involved in the robbery at HDFC Bank as they continue the search operation at Charangpat Mayai Lekai today. The arrested man has been identified as Okram Nando, age 23, son of Okram Babujo of Thawal Ningombam. Nando earlier worked at HDFC Bank as office runner during the search operation conducted by Thawal District Police Commando and District Police. 700 grams of gold and rupees 1 lakh cash were recovered from a pawn located at Charangpat Mayai Lekai. It may be recalled that yesterday two persons, namely Tokchom Dilip and Thiam Arjun, were arrested by police along with gold jewelry worth rupees 50 lakh and rupees 7.5 lakh cash. So far, police have recovered rupees 8,55,000 and 2 kg gold. A woman died after delivering a baby girl at Regional Institute of Medical Sciences, RIMS, today. The family of the deceased woman alleged carelessness on the part of the doctors treating her. The woman has been identified as Tokchom Keroda, age 34, wife of Tokchom Somarendro of Kurai Sarjor Lekai. She delivered the baby at around 8 last night and she died early this morning. She was a patient of Professor N.K. Singh and Dr. Trinity. Enraged members of the family vandalized some portion of administrative block of RIMS. However, police personnel arrived at the spot on time and prevented further damage. The family members have decided not to take the body unless justice is served.
MS na inquiry committee ma semgani haiba pawta je haiba inquiry committee sigo detailed report ama mara leba singi mathakta action lakhut tripawba aduga moina chapchaba magi final report ama puthok tripawti inquiry committee gi adu akoi asiba masa se man koi RIMS da dum leijarasanu RIMS gi doctor singna negligence leibidagi item gi punsi odi manipur gi mawama Thawai Thagibani, Aduna, Moi, Thawai Mahan Gibani, Mabu Hinta Tatkibani, Mabu Namna Shen Gibani, Habo from Simayam Chen Tamjari, Aduga Masigi Mataka, inquiry, give Mapung Papa report on Matamdi Bukta, Sibum Sas, Lower.
Agriculture Minister Mohammad Nasir has vehemently denied the allegation that one of his relatives was involved in the firing at Meira Paibi in Nungai village. A section of local dailies carried a news item on the 4th of this month which said Meitei Youth Front Southeast Asia alleged that one of the three persons involved in the firing at Nungai Meira Paibi was a relative of the minister and that the minister was trying to protect the culprits. Reacting to the news, the minister, who represents a Lilong constituency, told the media person today that the news was baseless and unfounded. He said it was a political conspiracy to malign him. Nasir maintained that such a move to give a communal color to the incident is an attempt to defeat him. He challenged Meitei Youth Front Southeast Asia to identify the person. The minister also appealed to all concerned not to create such a situation in future.
Praman piba pida vanatava praja punna maktugi marakta aigi mungdagi sigi misi yawi aigi family dagi yawi haibo orati life ki oina rajniti dagi ai mayam amangda surrender toge mesia se siga manipur gi Said Minar sida aran be yaurami ba mido khut kakthat na sira ngak kakthat na sira ko kakthat na sira ma final to na sia nei khoina rajniti yawba amana ngasi phodasu masumena communal gi oba minamaga rajniti tawrki basu yaudri ado rajniti gi khudong chaba launanaba kariguma political party amaga communal gi oba isu ama sagalaga mai thiba pinanaba hotnaba manba sugum se matung amuk hanna tawbidana baina is message se manipur prajada sumai pijani.
Democratic Students Alliance of Manipur, Bishnupur branch observed Disturbance-Free Education Zone Day 2016 at Royal Academy of Law, Oinam, yesterday. The day was observed on the theme Stop Politics in Education. It may be mentioned that this psalm has been commemorating the People's Mass Rally against the disturbance to education sector from July 5 in 2008. Teachers and students of schools and colleges took part in the event. Relief materials and food items were distributed to flood-affected residents of Iroisemba. Iroisemba Maning Lekai Maira Lup distributed the relief materials sponsored by BJP Manipur Pradesh member Namairakpam Santosh. 5 kg of rice, half kg pulses and 1 packet of salt were distributed to every household in the area. Yai School MLA Elangbam Chan today inaugurated the Maira Paibi Shangland of Brahmapur Nahabam Women's Welfare Association. Speaking at a function, MLA Chan raised concern over the rising drug abuse among the youth. He appealed to the Brahmapur Nahabam Maira Paibi to monitor such cases in the area. MLA Chan said the Sanglen will provide a platform to Maira Paibi members to discuss the issues concerning the state. He assured the residents that he will help in cleaning the Takhil Khong Pat. The Sanglen was constructed with the funds collected from the locals and contribution from the MLA.
Maira Sangsu Oibe Aba Sumba Pamba Mama Lebirabnina Mayamna Karulekai Yaipanaba Patava Natraga Tohaning the Karulekai is the Mayamadusu Yamna Cheksinna Senabirani Abai Ashat Hamzi Luna Luna Nasisi Kangi Kano Lakwasida I Shorgi Koyakada Shanti Leba Quilam the Mama Sinabiu Akoi Manipur Prajada Haidana Shorgi Mapam the Kurumjari.
Agriculture Minister Mohammad Nasir greeted the people of Manipur, especially the Muslims, on the occasion of Eid al-Fitr, which will be celebrated tomorrow. He expressed the hope that the festival will bring peace, prosperity and unity among different communities living in the state.
Amaga respect pinaba miyoibagi behlu khangni hingba adumba country ama adumba raija ama isorna ohenbibu oisanu amasung maru oina Manipuri Meti amasung Meti Pangal Laiminari Bichin Nau Singi Marakta Tamoi Sengna Nungsinava Tamoi Gia Tietpa Mari Lenaduna Yam Ing Chappa Manipuri Ama amasung Manipurgia Punba Saktam Manipuri Singi Mehurol Dagi Tahi Lisinganigi Itias Lejaba Manipuri Sida Laiminaraklaba Kanglupun Namak Nungsi Sanana Laiminabu Oisanu Hana Idul Fitr Gamari Lenana Manipurgi Prajada Sumena Messias Sama Pizil.
Meanwhile, Manipur government has declared holiday tomorrow on account of Eid al-Fitr. The biggest festival of Muslims was earlier scheduled to be observed today. However, Imam of Delhi's Fatehpuri Masjid, Mufti Muhammad Mukarram Ahmed, yesterday announced that the Eid will be observed tomorrow as the moon was not sighted last evening. The body of Sem-Style Captain Zamkholal Zhou alias George of United Kuki Liberation Front UKLF was discovered today in a canal near Menal River, about 15 km off More Police Station. The 39-year-old senior UKLF leader was killed by a suspected underground outfit under the Kuki National Organization. Post-mortem of the body was done at Tamu Hospital. Hills Tribal Council More brought the body from Tamu Hospital and paid their last respect at Hill Tribal Council office complex. More police had registered a case and the body has been kept at Jennings morgue. Meanwhile, Thado Students Association Chandal has strongly condemned the murder of Zamkholal Zhou alias George by a suspected underground outfit under KNO. The association in a press release appealed to the government to look into the murder of a member of an outfit which is a signatory to suspension of operation with the centre and the state governments. It also appealed to arm the signatories to respect human lives. A combined team of Thawal Commando in Imphal West Police arrested one KYKL cadre near Thawal Mela ground in Thawal district. The cadre is identified as Moirangtim Lokeshwar Singh, age 30, son of Ibo Chauba Singh of Yaidipok, Top Chintha. Police sources said he was involved in extortion of money from Brilliant School, Vision Academy and Ruda Academy. He also demanded money from almost all the schools and colleges in the Thawal area. 3 mobile phones used in the extortion of money have also been recovered from him by the police. He has been handed over to Thawal police station and a case registered. Saplings were planted on Mini Secretariat Complex in Bishnupur District Headquarters. Yesterday, the program was jointly organized by District Forest Officer Bishnupur and District Administration Bishnupur. Two-day skill development workshop on food processing concluded yesterday at Moreh College. The workshop was jointly organized by Moreh College and Manipur Industries Development Council. Representatives of several women's organizations took part in the workshop. The participants were taught how to make pickle, candy, jam and squash at the workshop, which was held on the theme promoting skill-based knowledge among educated unemployed locales of Moreh and its neighboring villages.
Entrepreneurship idea literally business skills in Wanga local imagine sing business techniques could side techniques Kangalaga Moina Kangmatamda Hingmangame Hingbangamatamda Angang Singsi Moilari Adanakamanga money Adumatamda More Hadasi Chakatpa More Saudi Sia country Marakta business Yarok Nabagi Lambi Pigani Kanduna Sigi Protexida Equina 2D skill development workshop on food processing Bangkok.
Time now for a short commercial break. We'll be back in a short while. Keep watching Impact News.
The first urban cross hatchback, Datsun Radigo with 800cc. Sumnatagi Lak Anigalising Punipan Piba car. Asigi features Singdi, ground clearance 185mm, boot space 222 liters, power steering, mileage 25.17 km per liter, immobilizer, Bukto Bihoro, Gariasi, Ngasimak showroom the Laktuna Lady, test drive Kidamak, Lexin Birao, Island Nissan, near Standard Robert High Secondary School, Kanchipur, Imphal. Datsun Ready Go.
Welcome back. You're watching Primetime English News. One of the biggest festivals of the Hindus, Ratha Yatra, popularly known as Kang, is being celebrated with religious fervor and gaiety in different parts of the valley. Large number of devotees thronged the Sri Sri Govindiji temple at Palace Compound to worship the Lord Jagannath on the occasion. People offered seasonal fruits and flowers to the chariot carrying Lord Jagannath, Balabhadra and Subhadra being pulled by the devotees at Palace Compound. Nupapala was also performed on the complex of Sri Sri Govindiji Temple, organized by Sri Sri Govindiji Temple Board. Devotees wished for a peaceful and harmonious Manipur with the blessings of Lord Jagannath. It is believed that the celebration of Kang began at the time of Maharaja Gambhir Singh in the 19th century. Jayadeva, popularly known as Joydeb Chongba, is performed at mandabs in localities at night. Khetri is served along with Utsoi Utti on Thamna lotus leaf after Joydeb Chongba.
Ini panba numini numit ashi Govindada Kang Jimmy Tabashe Chatari Kang Jimmy Tabashe Srijud Gambhir Singh Maharaj Sana Hataki Chatarak Bani Adina Matam Chatarakna Ngashibo Chatari Hariba Kang Jimmy Tabashida Arapa Anapa Bangabasho Kayana Mashida Liderson Tobulini
Nasi Sri Govindana Kripata Uduna Manipur Gilairiba Tangju Laita the Punsi Santi Porpa Sakat Poeva Amaga Huzik Lairiba problem Mamse Apava Santi of production of Haidna I the Manipur Piam Punamata Yapa Pokel Pizza Bagalona Sri Govinda Kripana Puna Puyam Prekanina Akata
Mayam Punamu Assurangami Aldarangasi Temple Board Sigi Sinjalangari Bangasi Jatra Jagannath Ki ꯊꯧꯖꯥꯟ ꯃꯪꯒꯣꯜ ꯑꯁꯤꯄꯥꯒ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯅꯤꯡꯊꯤꯖꯅ ꯄꯥꯡꯊꯣꯛꯄꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯑꯃꯁꯨꯡ ꯑꯁꯣꯏ ꯑꯉꯥꯝ ꯌꯥꯎꯗꯅ ꯂꯥꯛꯄꯤꯔꯤꯕ ꯄꯨꯝꯅꯃꯛ ꯑꯁꯦ ꯃꯁꯤꯅ ꯌꯥꯏꯐꯕ ꯂꯩꯕꯥꯛ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯌꯥꯏꯐꯕ ꯃꯪꯒꯣꯜ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯄꯣꯔꯛꯑꯁꯅꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯅ ꯒꯣꯕꯤꯟꯗꯖꯤ ꯇꯦꯝꯄꯜ ꯕꯣꯔꯗꯀꯤ ꯃꯥꯏꯀꯩꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯄꯨꯝꯅꯃꯛꯄꯨ ꯏꯁꯣꯔꯒꯤ ꯃꯐꯝꯗ ꯊꯧꯅꯤꯖꯔꯤ.
Rath Yatra was celebrated in various parts of the Manipur Valley. The International Society for Krishna Consciousness, ISKCON, also celebrated the festival by taking the idols of Lord Jagannath, Balabhadra and Subhadra in a car or chariot on the road. Devotees sang devotional songs in praise of the Lords as they pulled the chariot. Cars were seen on roads in different parts of the valley as devotees took out the idols of Lord in cars in the afternoon. People offered fruit and flowers as well. Rath Yatra festival was also celebrated at the border town of More. The chariot of Lord Jagannath, his brother Balabhadra and sister Sumitra was pulled from ISKCON temple located at More Ward number 5 and taken to More town, from where it was taken up to the Iron Bridge on India-Myanmar border. Members of ISKCON Tammu took the chariot into Tammu Regent and will return to ISKCON More on July 14. Lack of basic amenities in any locality is something people of the state often face. Several appeals and requests to the authority concerned always fall on deaf ears. Road passing in front of Tangkul Baptist Church is one of the worst roads in the city, lying in deplorable conditions. The road was dug out for sewerage project and has been lying unattended. Huge potholes along the stretch of the road make the commuters more miserable. People living in the area also complain that the drains on both sides of the road often flood the road whenever it rains. The stretch is an important byline as it is often used to reach a Caesar hospital. They appeal to the government to repair the road and the drains at the earliest before it further worsens.
Adam tubusi yawe nubi gumbase sida sum tusille adu yengbada gyan nungaite checking singa sok tok chatleba adu lambi si khoi khongna chatba singsu church lakba singsu chatba yadadna ko yam waye
Pawbade nungaite heba tare kari angang khoi su adum chaba kada nungaite ei samang su ki angang lebagi hujik do han go tawba su nungaite ba adum thorak ba mi chatba uwi
lambi je chapa je yam nungaite si gari thawda makha da kongkut ne lairi se aduga thawba matam da su adum nungaite aduga gari achou su mayam chatle si hospital lambi oi bani mari laina bana kha thuna se manning ne haijane.
The escorts of Rural Development and Panchayati Branch Minister Moirangthim Okendro today saved the life of a drowning young man in the Imphal River. The incident happened this afternoon around 2:30 when escorts of the minister at Sanjain Thong VIP colony jumped into the water to save the drowning man. The person has been identified as Muhammad Bismillah Khan from Khergaon, Khetri. The escorts are identified as 2nd IRB Rifleman L. Babu Machai and Rifleman N. Atombi. Now, threats to the life of endangered species of Manipuri pony still continue unabated despite many measures taken and assurance given by the authority concerned. The pony died right in front of the veterinary department after it was hit by a truck this afternoon around 4. The truck bearing registration number MN019134, which was coming from Wankai side, hit the pony. Porompat police have registered a case. Lack of grazing fields have forced animals to roam around the city looking for food, exposing their lives to the danger. Local residents of Khoijuman Maning B, Khoijuman Awang Lekai and Khoijuman Mayai have appealed to the authority to rebuild new Anganwadi centers by dismantling the 3 old buildings which were built without quality. The construction of 3 Anganwadi centers began in March this year, but walls and pillars have collapsed. The people appeal for construction of new buildings to avoid accidents. Curfew has been relaxed from 5 a.m. to 6 p.m. tomorrow in Nungai village. In orders issued today, District Magistrate Thawal T. Ranjit said the curfew, however, will continue until further orders. It may be recalled that curfew was imposed in Nungai village on the 27th of last month following the death of a young man in a firing. Association for Promotion of Meritorious Students of Chingmairong today organized a Silver Jubilee celebration. State-level spot painting and a quiz competition were also held on the occasion. More than 500 boys and girls took part in the spot painting competition held in different categories, and 300 students competed in the quiz competition as part of the 25th annual prize distribution to meritorious students and sportsperson of Chingmairong at Thangjam Bir Chandra and Maipakpi Community Hall, Chingmairong.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯁꯥ ꯃꯁꯥꯒꯤ ꯀ꯭ꯂꯥꯁꯁꯤꯡꯗ 1991 ꯗꯒꯤ ꯍꯧꯅ ꯃꯁꯥ ꯃꯁꯥꯒꯤ ꯀ꯭ꯂꯥꯁꯁꯤꯡꯗ ꯐꯥꯁ ꯇꯥꯈꯤꯕ ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯅ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯇꯨꯡꯒꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯖꯗ ꯑꯍꯟ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯃꯦꯆꯣꯔ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯄꯥꯏꯔꯤꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯆꯥꯎꯕ ꯕꯥꯏꯑꯣꯗꯥꯇꯥ ꯑꯃꯁꯨꯡ ꯑꯦꯆꯤꯞꯃꯦꯟꯒꯤ ꯂꯤꯁ ꯑꯃꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯐꯣꯡꯖꯔꯤ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗ ꯑꯍꯥꯟꯕ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯪꯁꯊꯥꯟꯁꯤꯅ ꯄꯥꯡꯊꯣꯛꯆꯕꯅꯦꯅ ꯈꯜꯂꯤ ꯃꯤꯇꯩꯅ ꯁꯦꯗꯨꯜ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯥꯏꯕꯇ ꯆꯜꯍꯧꯕꯅ ꯇꯨꯡꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯔꯣꯜꯗ ꯌꯥꯏꯐꯒꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯊꯤꯝꯁꯤꯗꯩꯗ ꯗꯤꯕꯦꯇꯤꯡ ꯀꯝꯄꯤꯇꯤꯁꯟ ꯑꯃꯁꯨ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯠ ꯂꯦꯚꯦꯜꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯂꯥꯛꯏꯕ ꯇꯥꯔꯤꯛ 8ꯁꯤꯗꯒꯤ ꯍꯧꯔꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯄꯥꯡꯊꯣꯛꯆꯒꯗꯣꯔꯤ.
Akomloop Kanglei Park in a press note appreciated JNM's Porompat for providing free medical treatment to the poor people in the state. The organization appealed to the JNM's authority to make public the details of the work done by the hospital for the poor. Now, news from the wall of sports. The first semi-final of the Euro Cup Football Championship will be played between Portugal and Wales tonight. The match is scheduled at 12:30 a.m. Indian time at Lyon in France. Gareth Bale leads Wales into battle against Cristiano Ronaldo's Portugal in the first semi-final today, hoping to become the first British side to reach a major tournament final in 50 years. Portugal team is ranked 8th in the world, while Wales are at 26. In the Euro tournament, Portugal's best has been the runner-up in 2004. Wales are the first debutants to reach semis since Sweden did so in 1992. This is the first competitive meeting between the two sides. The two teams have played only 3 friendly matches so far, wherein Portugal has succeeded twice, while Wales have won once. The second semi-final is slated between world champions Germany and France on Thursday. Manipur team entered the quarterfinals of the Under-19 Junior Girls National Football Championship. Manipur outclassed Maharashtra 8-0 in the Group E match played at Cuttack Police Ground this morning. M. Ratanbala scored 4 goals in 4th, 23rd, 55th and 61st minute of the match. Kashmina scored 2 goals in 58th and 77th minute, while H. Daya scored 2 goals in 81st and 91st minute of the match. Defending champion Manipur is coached by AFC A license holder L. Chauba Devi, while AFC C license holder S. Manitombi Devi is the team manager. Manipur will take on Jharkhand in the quarterfinals on July 8 at 3:30 p.m. The championship is organized by All India Football Federation at Cuttack, Odisha, and will be continued till the 17th of this month. TH Bir Chandra Singh Football Academy Tabungkok TBSFA has congratulated Moirangthim Jayananda on receiving the Indian Oil Scholarship 2016. Moirangthim Jayananda began his football career at TBSFA grassroots phase and is now undergoing under 18 training at IFA Regional Academy, Goa. And now before we wind up, here's a quick reminder of the headlines once again. Police arrests the third culprit involved in HDFC Bank robbery case. He is a former employee of the bank. Woman dies after delivering baby girl at RIMS. Furious relative vandalized RIMS administrative block. Refused to take the body. Minister Nasir denies involvement of his relative in firing at Meira Paibe Nungai, alleges political conspiracy. And people celebrate Rath Yatra with religious fervor and gaiety in various parts of the valley.